up its fast. That's good stuff. Most fed though. It's not bad. But if you get your leg locked out, you can probably break an ankle pretty easy on it. Who is it? Drag your feet.
Drag your feet. Drag your feet.
Ow!
You all right?
Thanks for the helmet.
And my hand. That was the tree.
Thanks for catching me. Thomas is gonna what?
He's like, hey. Is it playing?
4.
Oh, I didn't have it on video. I don't
Hey, you might want to step back. You almost hit this. I caught you here.
I got a concussion already.
Catch him, catch him, catch him.
Drag your feet. Drag your feet.
Holy shit.
I've only got my feet up in the air.
4.
Here you go.
Damn.
Your turn.
For what?
Well, I'm going to sit here and catch people because she damn near hit her head here.
We heard it. This one's crazy. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh my God, we're in the woods. This is awesome. Thomas, you better catch your girl. I think she's next.
She's light though. She'll stop back here. She'll go really fast. One or the other. Come on, baby.
Put your feet down. Good one.
Holy crap.
Are we filming everybody or just?
Nah, that's it.
Did I just hit the red button?
4.
Did I just hit the red button?